Hello po, good day po sa inyo lahat na welcome to my channel, Best Investments by Minsa Bache, and I am an accredited seller of DMCA Home. So today, ang i-discuss ko sa inyo is yung mga promotion updates natin for this month of May 2025. Okay ba? Hello po, good day po sa inyo lahat. Hello po, good day po sa inyo lahat na welcome to my channel. So today naman, tara samahan niyo ako i-tour ko kayo sa discuss ko sa inyo yung project updates natin para kayo. Best Investments by Minsa Bache, and I am an accredited seller of DMCA Home. Hello, so kumusta po kayo? So I hope na pa din nyo yung Moncello series na mga vlogs natin, na mga videos natin. So ito yan, maka-help sa inyo para sa mga informations ng Condotel project natin doon sa Baguio. So ito right now, what I will discuss to you is yung mga promos and updates natin for this month of May 2025. Okay, so huwag natin patagalin pa. Let's start with the first promo natin. So this is the extended yung summer step up promo natin, wherein yung 12% down payment payable in 36 months with 1% discount, and yung parang modified term natin, yung step up 36. So yung 3% down payment in 12 months, 4% down payment in 12 months, and 5% in 12 months. So extended siya until May 31, 2025. So ito po, may chance pa tayo to avail this type of promo kasi pagka po natapos ito, babalik na tayo sa regular payment term natin. We're dito po sa promo na to, applicable to all projects except Anisa Heights, Fortis Residences, Calea Heights, Oak Harbor, okay, si Moncello Crest, si One Delta Terraces, si Solmera Coast, and si Valeron Towers. So and then the rest na projects applicable po itong promo na to. Okay? And then, ang next natin is yung vacation pass natin on selected projects. Okay, so ito, once you reserve a unit po, you will be entitled a vacation pass. So meron kang points accordingly kung anong size size ng unit na na-avail ninyo. Meron kayong corresponding points na pwede nyo gamitin sa vacation pass natin. Wherein dito sa vacation pass nito, meron tayong pwede siya gamitin sa mga DMCA leisure projects natin. Okay? So ito, if your unit belongs to the following project: Allegra Garden Place, Calinea Towers, De Crasmont, Erin Heights, Mulberry Place Phase 2, One Delta Terraces, and Verdon Park. So meron kayong respective na points pagka nag-reserve kayo this month of May 2025 hanggang June 30, 2025. So medyo mahaba itong promo na to. Wherein dito, pagka nag-reserve kayo nito sa mga units na to, meron kang vacation pass na makukuha. Okay? And then, the next promo natin is for Oak Harbor Residences. Okay? So ito yung high-end project natin. This is a DMCA exclusive po sa May Pasay. Okay, malapit ito sa Okada. Okay, so ang payment term natin is 15% down payment in 24 months with 0% discount, and the remaining balance na 85% through in-house or bank financing. Okay, and applicable po ito sa unit lang, sa parking po hindi po. Pero yung term, kasabay ng unit, parehas po. Okay? And then the next promo natin is yung kay Fortis Residences. Okay, so applicable ito from May 1 to May 31, 2025. We're in with a special payment term na 5% down payment, and then yung 25% over the down payment period. We're in mga special discount na 3%. Okay? And then yung isa natin, 30% over the down payment period. Ito yung option 2 natin. Meron kang 1.5% discount. And then yung last natin, 5% in 6 months. And then yung remaining na 25%, meron kang 1% discount. And then the next one is 5% spot down payment, and then yung 15% over the down payment period until the turnover date, meron kang 1% discount. And lastly, meron kang 0.5% discount if yung 20% down payment over the down payment period. And then yung remaining balance ninyo, ito na yung loanable natin. Okay, through bank financing or in-house financing. And applicable lang ito sa units lang po. Okay? And then, the next promo natin is for Valorant Towers. Okay, ito yung sa may along C5 natin. Okay, so, ang term natin dito, dalawa. Meron kang 12% down payment upon the, until the turnover date with additional 6 months to the down payment period. Okay, so ang kagandahan nito, mas ano siya, mas na longer. Okay, so ito mag-create ako ng video nito para sa sample competitions natin kay Valorant Tower. So yun yung first option natin. And then yung second option natin is yung 15% down payment, additional spread until the turnover date, plus 6 months ulit sa down payment period with 3% discount. So ito, mas maganda po ito kasi meron kang discount. Siyempre, sino ba naman may ayaw na may additional discount, di ba? So sayang din ito at around 150,000 din ang discount po nito. Okay? And then also the next promo natin would be on 1 Delta Terraces. So extended po yung promo natin. Okay, 1 Delta Terraces na from 15% down payment siya until the turnover date. So I think ang turnover date ni 1 Delta is by November 2029. So we still have, I think, parang mga 52 months yata, 51 months remaining. Okay, so basta 15% down payment spread until the turnover date with 2% special discount. Okay, applicable po ito sa unit lang. Okay, and then the next one, Simoncello Crest. Okay, so ito extended ulit yung promo natin dito hanggang June 30. Okay, we're in 15% down payment siya until the turnover date. And then yung balance should be through in-house, cash, or bank financing. Yun po yung ano natin para sa 85% balance. Okay? Okay, so that concludes may update po for the promos po for this month of May 2025. Ngayon, if you want to know more about those projects na nabanggit ko, nandiyan yung numbers ko, naka-flash sa screen, you may contact me anytime. Through Viber, through WeChat, through Facebook Messenger, through WhatsApp. Pwede tayong mag-schedule ng online presentation via Zoom or pwede tayong mag-schedule ng site viewing. So, pwede natin puntahan yung mga selected project, yung mga projects na gusto ninyo. Okay, so, nandiyan yung numbers ko. Pwede nyo po makakontact. Okay, so thank you very much for watching po. And please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell para every time na nag-upload ako ng bagong video kay YouTube, ay ma-notify kayo. So, again, thank you very much for watching po. God bless po. Stay safe po. Bye-bye po.